because I equal fun.
Carpania.
Here we are, everybody, Cusco, Peru, on the eve of Inti Raymi, and check out the size of this sun. There's a reason why they're worshiping it and having a sun festival tomorrow. This thing is wild. Here we are, everybody, Cusco, Peru, for Inti Raymi. It's not even Inti Raymi yet. Still the night before, and they're going absolute bonkers down here. I've never seen anything like this before. Let's check it out, Mama. Here we are in Cusco, Peru at the archaeological site of Sacsayhuaman. Right behind me, in about 30 minutes, Inti Raymi is going to take place. This is absolutely awesome, and I'm so happy that I have a local guide that could bring me here and show me what it's all about from the local perspective. So Nace is going to show me, and I'm going to show you. Vamos. Psh. Inti Raymi, the Festival of Sun here in Cusco, is extremely important to these people. You have pretty much everybody from the Andean region, anywhere around here in Cusco today, come from all over to gather here and just celebrate the sun. Why not? Vamos. What I love about meeting local people and becoming friends with local guides is that you can get the local cultural perspective of it all, which is, to me, hands down the best way to do all this stuff. Campo? Honestly, I feel like I'm in Indiana Jones in the Temple of Doom. Apparently, this was the freeway to see Inti Raymi, which is why we have to climb through barbed wire fence to get out of here. Only in South America. I love this. Party continues for them down below. Look at all that. Walking out of Inti Raymi is another cultural experience in itself, just to see all the different wild foods that they're selling and stuff that people like me should not be eating or drinking if we don't want to go to a local hospital. A couple 100,000 natives come here. This is the most important day of the year for them. It's like the new year. Everything starts over tomorrow. Everyone's going to be partying all night, I suppose. There it is, guys. dive in. It's like guinea pig food truck day down here in Sacsayhuaman, Peru. This is all eucalyptus. These are absolutely beautiful. And that's the story. It came from a Frenchman that had seeds that had come from Australia. And look at this view. Damn, you can't get any better than that. That's the city of Cusco, everybody. So the taxi situation out of Inti Raymi is absolutely out of control, so we have to climb down to the city. But the view going down is totally worth it. Who wants to sit in a taxi when you can take a look at that all the way down? But don't fall, because you can kill yourself very easily. Peru Guru tip, take it in. You can kill yourself easily in Peru if you're not looking down and filming and talking on a phone like I'm doing now. Adios, ciao. So that is a wrap on Inti Raymi 2024. You can't get a more cultural or mind-bending experience than this. Step out of the ordinary, subscribe to Cart Media, and don't forget to follow the Peru Guru, because he's always got you. I shall see you soon. Ciao.